Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do a nozzle check pattern or test page on a Canon Pixma IP8750. Now this is a great way of checking the colours your printer is capable of producing and helping you diagnose any print quality issues with missing colours or stripe prints or anything like that really. So we do this directly from the printer using nothing but this single button found on the front. And what we're going to do is hold down this button until the power LED up here flashes twice. Then we're going to release it immediately. So here we go. 1, 2. Now, give your printer just a few seconds. And it will produce a page just like this. Now, as you can see, it's broken down. The black, cyan, magenta, standard black, and greys at the bottom here. Now, you're looking for any either missing colours or lines in there, or as this photo black is used predominantly for text and detailed stuff, you'd be looking for little gaps in there that would suggest kind of more subtle kind of print quality problems with your machine. Gives you a good idea as to where to start with cleaning or cartridge replacement, things of that nature. If you want to know how to clean with this particular printer, we have a separate video for that, and it can again be done directly from the printer with just that single button. So hopefully the quality of your print is looking as good as mine, and that won't be necessary for you. If you found this video useful, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let me know in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.